Biggest unboxing ever, guys. Biggest unboxing ever. This is one that I am honestly just very excited for, and I can't wait to share what's in this box with the Untied Ohana, man. And I'm probably going to be smiling a lot during this episode because I have been waiting for this unboxing literally my entire life. So this is going to be a huge one today, guys. You guys ready? You ready? Let's see what we got. In this box, we have... oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Check that out. It's just this thing. There's no sneakers in there, but we got this envelope over here. Let's open this up. You guys are gonna freak on this. I hope you guys freak on this. I mean, you guys are family, you guys are Untied Ohana, and honestly, this is, I guess, an announcement that I've literally been waiting for my entire life, guys. Because to the Untied Ohana, the Untied Faithful, my family behind the camera, your boy has a little one on the way. And yeah, I mean, we found this out in December. Dude, I'm going to start tearing up. I'm already doing it. But yeah, we found this out in December, and I honestly haven't told much of my family about this yet, just because it is kind of early still. I think Mari just got to like the 3-month mark. Dude, I got to wipe my eyes. I'm sorry. I already know I'm like tearing up over here. But yeah, we haven't actually told like a lot of our own personal family and stuff. Like we told my dad, my sisters, Mari's parents and brothers and stuff, and a couple of other relatives, but for the most part, it's been kept under wraps. And honestly, like, when I was thinking about how to do an announcement and stuff and, you know, let my family know, like, one of the things that came to mind was, like, I gotta tell my Untied Ohana family, you know? Like, I tell you guys all the time, like, you guys are Ohana, you guys are part of my family, and I think it was only right that, you know, I did this huge kind of, like, unboxing reveal thing, not sneaker related, but, I mean, you guys are a big part of my life, and I just wanted to share this kind of, like, different unboxing with you guys. Also, sorry, I don't know if that was a clear shot for you guys, but that's gonna be little Untied over there. So cool. So cool. But yeah, man, I'm just really excited. Mari's really happy too. The pregnancy and stuff has been hard, so yeah, that's why she's not actually in this episode and stuff, just because she's like feeling sick and stuff all the time, and she didn't really want to, like, you know, get like done up for the video or whatever. So please excuse that she's not here. But like I said, big life-changing thing for me. I've honestly wanted to be like a dad pretty much my whole life. I didn't have like the best family upbringing and stuff, and I always tell myself that I want to be a better parent and like give my children a better life than what I received growing up. And I think that's like the goal for a lot of parents and stuff, but honestly it's resonated with me a lot, and that's why I'm like just so thankful for you guys, because, you know, you guys have given me the opportunity to give little Untied like a better life, you know, because you guys made me into a quote-unquote YouTuber, allowing me to, you know, get more income, get different kinds of income and stuff, and, you know, like, that's really important to me. So I wanted to share this important thing with you guys, because you guys are just as much family as my own flesh and blood. So thank you guys so much for supporting what I do, man. Like, I know it was a different video, and I'm sure some of you guys are gonna kind of be disappointed that it's not like sneakers or something, but honestly, I don't know, I think this is much better than sneakers. So yeah, little Untied on the way, man. I'm personally hoping for a girl. I really want a girl, but Mari wants a boy, so we'll see what we have in, I think, a month or two. And there will probably be another reveal video for that, so stay tuned, man. And I'm sure like the next question you guys have is like, okay, so what's gonna happen to like the channel and stuff, right? Like, is there gonna be any big changes to the channel and stuff? Or like, you know, is he gonna retire? Is he gonna stop making videos now that he has a kid? But honestly, like, I don't foresee like any big changes gonna be happening, you know? Like, if anything, I'm gonna be grinding harder now that I have like a baby on the way and whatnot. And I mean, in terms of like the channel and stuff, I feel like if anything, I'm just gonna be buying a lot more kid shoes now for sure. And also we have like a new guest and stuff for mystery unboxes. So yeah, it's not gonna be changing too much, man. Still gonna be putting out great content for you guys. Might have a lot more bags under my eyes and like, you know, white hair coming in. But other than that, I don't, you know, foresee any big changes. So thank you guys for sticking with me this whole time, and I hope you guys continue to stick with me, you know, like through this new adventure that me and Mari are gonna have. And just, I can't say thank you guys enough. Like, literally 2021 is shaping up to be like one of the best years of my life so far, and it just looks like it's gonna keep getting better. So thank you guys for being a part of that, and that's basically it for this episode, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots.